National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado for northern Kendall County in northeast Illinois until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Plano and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Trained spotters have reported a rotating wall cloud with this storm. Hazard: developing tornado and golf ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Extensive tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Yorkville and Oswego. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor.